So oftentimes in the reality of the real world, we're not just given our expression, we actually have to derive it from a scenario that's presented to us. Now the first step along that journey would then be to turn these words into algebraic expressions. Now these are some simple ones that I'm going to demonstrate to you. Now as you go through your journey of mathematics, what you're going to find is that you're going to be able to get better at deriving the expressions for different types of scenarios. And this again is very prevalent in science. So having a look at this, if x is a variable representing any number, write an algebraic expression for 4 times the number. Now the number in this case is x. So 4, okay, times the number. Remember, we don't need to write the multiplication sign, so I'm just going to write 4x, which means 4 times the number. Looking at the next one, the number divided by 6. Now the number is going to be x. Now divided, remember we'd never write the divide sign anymore, we simply put it over. Okay, this line means to divide by 6. X divided by 6. Now 1/3 of the number. Now of the number actually means multiplication. Okay, always good to remember. So 1/3, so that's a fraction. Now 1/3 of the, so multiplication, now we know multiplication, we don't need to write the sign of the number. So the number in this case is x, okay, because we don't know what the number is. So 1/3 x, like so. Now the other way we can actually write this is x over 3, which essentially means the same thing. I would always probably opt for this one just because it looks a little bit neater. Now we're given a question. Think of a number y, multiply it by 3 and subtract 7. Write an algebraic expression. So we're thinking of a number and that number is y. Okay, we don't know what the number is. Now we're going to multiply it by 3. So thinking about this now, if you're not quite sure on it, write it out first in an expanded version. Okay, y times 3 minus 7. Now once you've got this, okay, based on our previous video, what you can actually do then, okay, is simplify it like normal. So 3y minus 7, okay, like that. Or you can go straight to the step, so y multiplied by 3, so 3y, subtract 7 minus 7, okay. So you can jump straight to this step, okay, deriving your answer, but if you're not too confident, I would always opt for writing it out in the expanded form, just to guarantee yourself the marks. Now, if we look down here, describe the algebraic expression a plus b divided by 2 in words. Opposite of what we've been doing. Again, if we can do the opposite of what we're trying to do, okay, up here, we show that we really understand what the skills involved. So let's have a look. A plus b. Okay, so we're going to write it the sum of a plus b. Now I've got that. What does this line mean? Divided by. So let's write that. The sum of a plus b divided by 2. Okay, so you literally, we've got sum. So if that was minus, okay, the subtraction or the difference of a and b divided by, so yep, just put in the word divide instead of the line, by 2.